GraceKennedy launched First Global Bank 10 years ago. What have been the commercial and your personal highlights?
Well, we're very proud of the performance of First Global Bank over the period. We are currently ranked in terms of asset size, 5th of 7 commercial banks in Jamaica, but we have the most powerful and clearly the best internet banking solution. We have grown from just 1 branch in New Kingston to now 6 branches island-wide. But very importantly, we have established ourselves as the #1 for customer relationship management for our choice segments, business customers as well as professionals. And we have done all of this. We are well capitalized. We have an equity base of approximately $60 million US, and we're well capitalized. We have the fastest growing loan portfolio in Jamaica's banking industry last year, where we grew our loan portfolio by almost 20%. And you know, the good thing is that our non-performing loan ratios have been declining, which is, you know, in the opposite direction from the industry. So we believe that First Global Bank, the team there, have done a really good job.
How did First Global Bank's relationship with GraceKennedy come about?
Well, GraceKennedy actually, the First Global Bank started in 1970 as First National Bank of Chicago. But GraceKennedy became associated with this institution in 1993 through a joint venture with Trafalgar Development Bank in what was Trafalgar Commercial Bank. In November 2000, GraceKennedy acquired 100% of the shares and renamed it First Global Bank in January 2002.
Turning to you, Maureen, First Global Bank is a boutique operation, so what products and services do you specialise in?
Although we're called a boutique bank, it doesn't mean that we don't provide all the normal services that a typical commercial bank provides in Jamaica. However, we do go a little further in terms of how we provide the service. And we're boutique in terms of the way we handle our customers. And so we provide services that our customers ask for. So we tailor-made our products to satisfy our customers' needs. And in that sense, you could call us a boutique type of a bank.
Looking at your competitors, what would you say are your unique products and offerings?
I can think of 3 that really hit home with our customers. For one thing, we open on a Saturday. So we have Saturday banking, and in fact, we open in dormitory towns where we actually have one of our banks in a supermarket. And this is really a #1 hit with our customers. And we open late hours in the supermarket, so till 7 in the evening. We also pay interest on our checking accounts, which the other banks are not doing. And we have the check on the go account, which is also very different. In fact, that's one perfect example of us listening to our customers. Our target market is the medium and small sized businesses. And one of the things they've been complaining about is the fact that they have to keep minimum balances, pay fees and charges, even though they only need a couple of checks over time. So what we did was to come up with this checking on the go account where you're able to pay only for what you use and you do not have a monthly minimum charge. So it's really perfect for those smaller businesses.
And you've invested significantly in security software, so you're very much a pioneer in online banking in Jamaica.
Yes, we believe that we have the most robust internet banking solution. It offers the widest range of functionality. Customers are able to, from the comfort of their homes or offices, transfer funds via ACH to other commercial banks in Jamaica. They're able to do international wire transfers, order drafts, order checks. We support it with a strong security infrastructure. Comprising 2-factor authentication. We use a special token. The password changes every couple of seconds. We have alert services and intrusion detection systems. So the services, the range of functionality, really powerful, great, and in addition to that, the top security.
What can you tell us about your philosophy on corporate and social responsibility?
Well, it starts from the GraceKennedy personality, and the GraceKennedy mantra is "We care," and we have always ensured that we do what is in the interest of the country, and we have always taken time to reach out to our staff and the communities in which we do business. And we have focused on education. We sponsor tertiary education scholarships as well as secondary students. We're involved in sports as well. We sponsor the Boys and Girls Athletic Championships each year, and this is really the training ground for all the athletes who you'll see participating in the Olympics in August here. And then in education, the work that we have done is now being furthered by the work being offered in First Global Bank, which Maureen will tell you about.
Right. We've done a lot of programs in education, but we're really especially proud of the music literacy program, which we launched in 2011. And this program targets 8- to 9-year-olds in primary schools. And what we did was we came up with a program where we actually purchased over $1 million worth of musical instruments that we're now enhancing their study patterns to use music to build on their numeracy and literacy skills. And we take it even further because we actually train, over 11 teachers have been trained already in how to use music to enhance the learning of these kids. And it's been very, very successful. We're very pleased.
Finally, what's next for the bank?
Well, we're looking at a number of things. Of course, in terms of products, we have some new products that are coming out. Again, we're tailor-making them to satisfy exactly what our customers are looking for. We're actually looking at how we can go future in terms of the mobile technology. And so we're adding a couple of products there. In terms of our markets, we're looking at how we can reach the diaspora, which is the Jamaicans overseas, and see how we can provide them with banking facilities back home, because as you know, Jamaicans overseas continue to live in Jamaica, and so they want to pay their bills there, they want to be able to do a lot of things there, so we're reaching out to them also.
Maureen Hayden-Cater, Courtney Campbell, thank you.
Thank you very much for having us.
Thank you.